What is up, everybody? My name is Matt. I believe that everyone has the ability to take professional looking photos, and yes, that includes with your phone. Yes, we are still in downtown Denver. I'm wearing the same stuff as last week. It is still snowing because guess what? It's the same day. You caught me. I batch film these because I'm trying to work smarter, not harder. All right, so today for tip number 8, we are talking about creating depth. What do I mean by that? I mean, we are looking at foreground, middle ground, and background, and seeing if we can get all 3 of those in the same shot to have a better photo. I don't know why I'm standing like a squat. Can you see me? Okay, let's go. All right, everyone, so this probably looks pretty familiar from last week, but I wanted to show you how we create depth through foreground, middle ground, and background. And let's talk about that for a second. So typically in our shots, we have a middle ground and background. That's kind of typical, but we miss that third aspect, especially when we're out in nature. We're trying to take a cool photo. We see something cool, and it looks all right, but it's just missing something. It loses a little flavor, right? So again, we're a little higher than last week. I like the waterfalls. I like my bridge. So if I was just walking here, let me take my picture. So again, not a bad picture. It's a cool scene, but let's add a little flavor to it. Let's get a foreground in here. The waterfall is my middle ground, the bridge is my background. I want a foreground here to spice it up a little bit. I got this awesome bush here with some cool red berries. We're adding some color. Let's go take a picture of that. You'll see how it looks. All right, guys, so you can see me kind of messing with the focus. I'm moving around. I'm trying to place those berries in a pleasing way. So the berries are my foreground. Over on that left side, my waterfall is that middle ground. Again, the bridge is the background. So I think that's a way more intriguing picture than the first one we took with no foreground. You see, that spices up a little bit. Much more exciting picture. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed tip number 8, creating depth with our foreground, middle ground, background, seeing if you can add a little bit more flavor to your photos. If you like this tip, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Photo tips at your fingertips. And hit me up on Instagram. Ask me questions. I love you guys. And until next week, peace!